One Halloween night, there were four friends who wanted to try and conquer the haunted forest. So the first friend went in, and he walked in and stopped to see his surroundings. That was a bad idea, because the forest started to spin. And then he was gone. So the next friend, knowing that he was stronger, sprinted, not knowing how long the forest really was. Went in, had to stop because he ran out of breath, and the forest started to spin again. And he, too, was gone. So the next friend thought maybe, because since he was stronger than the next one, he knew that he could jog through the whole forest, but he got scared and started to sprint. Made it pretty close to the end, but had to rest when the forest started to spin, and he, too, was gone. So the last friend thought, since he knew he wasn't scared of anything, he just jogged through the whole way, but then he wasn't as strong as the third friend, and he vanished from the forest. Just vanished. So the forest started to change, like the jacks were living in them, and that was pretty strange. So the royal there, who lived in the town, sent in the search party. The search party was made up of four parties. So the first search party went in to look for the lost jacks. Searched throughout the whole thing, but found nothing. But then something came out of the forest. The people started to get freaked out. So the next search party, went into the forest, looked throughout the whole forest, but found nothing. And then something else came out of the forest every single time the forest had changed. So the next search party came, looked throughout the whole forest, and then they had found nothing. And then finally, the last search party went in to looked throughout the whole thing, found nothing. And then something else came out of the forest. So the people started, they wanted to leave the forest alone, because they knew that the forest could only bring trouble. So, finally, the royal had sent villagers out to see what came out of the forest, and it was the search party, the four people. So, to see if they still remembered orders, the royal had ordered them to scramble. So they had scrambled, and they still remembered orders. But that royal, he was really frustrated, because he was up against a royal flush.